Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Zions Bank virtual card for secure online shopping, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up this protective payment method. Step 1. Log into your Zions Bank online banking account through their official website or mobile app. Use your existing username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the card services or digital wallet section of your online banking dashboard. Look for options related to virtual cards or secure online shopping. Step 3. Select the option to create or activate a virtual card. Zions Bank may call this feature virtual card numbers or secure online shopping. Step 4. Choose which physical card or account you want to link to your virtual card. This determines where charges will be billed. Step 5. Set your preferences for the virtual card, including spending limits, expiration date, and merchant restrictions if available. Step 6. Generate your virtual card details, which will include a unique card number, expiration date, and security code. Save these details securely. Step 7. Test your virtual card by making a small purchase from a trusted online retailer. This ensures the card is working correctly before using it for larger transactions. Step 8. Monitor your transactions through your Zions Bank account. Virtual cards provide added security for online purchases by keeping your actual card number protected from potential data breaches. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.